My last life, to get the inheritance, I spent months developing a brand new investment strategy, but I never imagined that my own brother, Leo, would be the one to release the strategy first. And I became the plagiarist in everyone's eyes. I didn't copy it.
Ethan, you actually plagiarized Leo's investment strategy. The Chu Corporation has operated for over 30 years, valuing integrity above all. We will not allow you to commit a dirty trick like plagiarism.
I truly developed this strategy myself. I really didn't plagiarize.
That's enough, Ethan. Leo opens a position, you open a position. He closes a position, you close a position. Every single step you take is the same, and you still claim you didn't plagiarize?
Chloe, Dad, don't blame Ethan. Maybe he just wanted to prove himself too much, so he got confused for a moment and borrowed my ideas. Everyone, please don't blame Ethan.
Leo, you...
This Ethan is so dishonest. How can someone like this let our group?
If you ask me, if Ethan becomes the successor, the Chu Corporation will go bankrupt sooner or later.
You scoundrel. It's bad enough that you plagiarized Leo, but you even dared to frame him. You have brought utter disgrace upon the Chu family name. I'll beat you, you imposter.
A man like you, full of lies, and with no sense of responsibility, doesn't deserve to marry me.
I'm not dead. Could it be? I'm reborn. I've returned to the time when they were choosing a successor.
Ethan, are you alright?
In my previous life, my brother Leo plagiarized me and framed me. My fiancée abandoned me, and my biological father beat me to death. I never thought fate would give me a second chance at life. This time, I will turn the tables.
Ethan, what are you staring at? Do you want to compete or not? If not, get out now. So many people here don't have time to wait for you.
Ethan, what are you doing? Leo is concerned about you. Why would you push him?
Are you crazy? He's your real brother.
My real brother? He's just an adopted child you picked up. When did he become my real brother?
Why are you talking about useless things now? Is this the time for that? If you're capable, win against Leo in the competition. Otherwise, even if you are my biological son, I won't hand over the company to you. Oh, Dad. Chloe, don't blame Ethan. If you're going to blame someone, blame me, the outsider, for stealing away. You're concerned for Ethan. I should just leave. Leave? If anyone's leaving, it's him. You ungrateful son. You haven't even inherited the Chu Corporation yet, and you're already plotting to harm your own brother. What would happen if you did inherit it? I shouldn't have brought you back when you were begging.
Martin, the debt I owed you was paid in full in my past life.
You, Dad, are you okay? Dad, please don't get angry. Ethan's just been under too much stress lately. After all, for this succession challenge, he's put in a lot, so it's understandable he couldn't control his emotions. It's quite normal. Please don't let it upset you too much. Dad, at a time like this, you're still defending this ungrateful son?
Ethan, you're going too far. Not only do you want to kick Leo out, but you're also disrespecting Mr. Chu.
You're out of control. You're completely out of line. Ethan, I'm telling you, the Chu Group's successor, even if I give it to an outsider, it won't be you.
Fine. Since you're so scheming to get rid of me, I'll withdraw. Leo, weren't you scheming to become the successor? Well, I'm giving it to you. All of this is yours.
Go, ungrateful son. Get out now. No, if he leaves, what will I do next? Ethan, you can't let a moment of impulse ruin everything. All these colleagues and employees are watching. You can't leave.
Why is he so panicked? Shouldn't he be thrilled for me to withdraw?
Mr. Chu, can we begin now? The employees are all watching. I'll deal with you later. Now get back inside. I announce the Chu Corporation's succession challenge. begins now. Both accounts have $1 billion each. Investment types are not restricted. The party with more profit wins.
Leo must already know my trading strategy. From my past life, I need a new one. I've got it. This stock G7633.
Stock G7633. Current price 35.7 by $100 million with 20 times leverage.
G7633. I just came up with this. How do you also pick this stock?
Everyone, look. The stock I bought is steadily rising. But, compared to Ethan, it's certainly nothing. Right, Ethan?
In just a few minutes, Leo has already made us $50 million, even more. Look, the stock price is still rising. If you ask me, he's far more capable than Ethan.
What a young genius. Martin, even though this son isn't biological, his investment talent is just as good as yours. Indeed, how long has it been? He's already made so much money for the company. You've truly raised a great successor for our group. That kid, Leo, is incredibly gifted. He's been smart since he was little, always quick to understand things. Otherwise, he couldn't have achieved such great results. Unlike his brother, who just wants me to die early, so he can inherit my estate.
Wait, look. What's going on? How are these the same?
Ethan, I finished my trade so long ago. Why haven't you? Ethan, why are your moves exactly like mine? You...
Of course. You'd show up at this moment again.
It's true, no wonder. I just saw Ethan's moves, and they were all the same as Leo's. So he was just copying. Plagiarism. How shameless. If someone like this became the Chu Corporation's successor, the consequences would be unimaginable.
Leo, are you saying I'm copying you?
Hey, Ethan, that's not what I mean. What I mean is, our moves are exactly the same. That's quite a coincidence. Ethan, how dare you? You openly plagiarized Leo's stock strategy in front of everyone. Do you have any respect for me and these board members?
You rushed to judgment, and with no evidence at all. You just accuse me of plagiarism. Who is your real son, anyway?
Silence. I, Martin Chu, am always upright and just. I always side with reason, not kinship. Leo has been obedient and sensible since he was young. He would never do anything as dirty as copying. You, on the other hand, stop at nothing for the inheritance. If I don't suspect you, who should I suspect?
Ethan, how long will you keep trying to deny it? Leo was the first to announce the stock code, and the first to state the leverage ratio. You immediately followed suit and made the trade. The timeline is perfectly clear. Everyone in the company witnessed it.
Fine. Since you all say I copied him, then let Leo repeat the operation he just performed. Let him explain his stock selection logic, leverage calculation, and risk assessment from beginning to end. Let everyone see if he truly knows how to invest.
Dad, Chloe, please don't get agitated. Perhaps it's just a coincidence. Choosing the same stock in the market is quite normal. Besides, Ethan certainly didn't do it on purpose. This time, let's just let it go. We absolutely mustn't damage the harmony between us brothers.
Coincidence? Leo, whether it's a coincidence or not, you know best in your heart.
Leo has already given you an out, and you're still causing a scene. This matter today must be settled once and for all. If you can't prove that you didn't cheat, not only will you lose the inheritance, you'll be kicked out of this family at once.
Alright. Since none of you believe me, then let's compete again. I want to see if this coincidence can continue.
Compete again? That's fair enough. Mr. Chu, I think that's a fair proposal. It will allow everyone to be completely convinced. All right. I'll give you one more chance. If I find out you've cheated again this time, you are out of here immediately. Since Ethan wants another match, I suppose I have no choice but to oblige.
Wait. Let's change the method. Bring up a screen.
Screen. Ethan, what is the meaning of this?
Putting on an act. What good will a screen do? It's just to prevent him from trying anything sneaky. Like copying Leo. The rules for this round are the same as before. Ethan, since you're suspected of copying, for this round, You get to choose first.
I choose gold. With a screen blocking us this time. Leo, let's see how you copy me.
Alright. Leo, what about you? What do you choose? I also choose gold.
No. While gold is easy to invest in, its short-term fluctuations are too small. It's hard to make money quickly. I'll choose stocks instead.
Alright, wait a minute. I'll also choose stocks. Leo, why are you choosing the same as him? Don't let him lead you astray. Choose what you're good at.
Leo, if you both choose the same thing, what if Ethan copies you again later?
Actually, stocks are more my specialty. I'm better at them. Besides, I believe Ethan won't copy me. What happened before must have been a misunderstanding. In that case, you may begin.
$54.02. This company's quarterly earnings exceeded expectations, coupled with favorable industry policies. The stock price will see a capital surge this afternoon. In a volatile market, operating with a trend-following strategy will definitely lead to huge profits. This is the spot.
I'm done with my trade. A 54.02. Current price, $32.6 per share. Opened a long position of $1 billion with 50 times leverage.
How did he choose the same as me again?
What? Leo just made a single investment of $1 billion? How can he be so bold?
Leo, though you have a great talent for investing, you're too impulsive. That's $1 billion and 50 times leverage. If anything goes wrong...
Everyone, please relax. My trade this time uses the trend-following strategy. I guarantee we'll make money this time.
Trend-following strategy? Leo, how do you know about that? It can't be. This trading method, I've never told anyone about it. How does he know?
Ethan, what are you yelling about? This investment strategy came from your brother. What does it have to do with you? Ethan, this is my strategy. How could I not know it? Are you trying to say?
Ethan, how can you and Leo have chosen the same stock again? Even the purchase price is identical.
Ethan, you've got some nerve. Didn't I tell you, if you copy Leo again, you bleed the Chu family immediately? Now, get out. Oh, Dad. Please don't be impulsive. Ethan just wants to be the heir so badly that he makes these mistakes. Just give him one more chance.
Leo, stop putting on an act. This situation now, isn't it exactly what you wanted?
Ethan, I didn't. I was trying to plead for you.
Leo, you're just too soft-hearted. Ethan, he's stooping to anything to become the heir. He stops at nothing. Don't plead for him.
It's useless for anyone to plead for him now.
Although Leo and I bought the stock at the same price, I only invested $200 million with a leverage ratio of 10 times. How's that copying?
Ethan, you disappoint me greatly. Copying is bad enough. But now that we've found out, you're coming up with such a lame excuse. Aren't you just trying to use this method to pull the wool over our eyes?
Instead of investigating whether I copied anyone, you should be more concerned about the stock price. It's already falling. Alright. Due to a mistake I just made, I forgot to set the stop-loss parameter. It looks like there's still about a 10% drop before everything is lost. But since you're so brilliant, Leo, you must have set it, right?
You didn't set a stop-loss parameter? Ethan, why didn't you say so earlier?
It was my own operational mistake. Why should I tell you about it? Are you implying my investment decisions would affect you?
The stocks have already fallen, and you're still here questioning your brother? Hurry up and sell those stocks now. Losing a little less is still better. Oh dear, how did I raise such an idiot?
Esteemed board members, since I operated too hastily just now and missed a step, I need to readjust it now.
What are you still stalling for? I told you to sell the stocks now. Are you deaf?
Didn't you say that to avoid suspicion? You wouldn't interfere with his competition, so please just sit here and don't bother me.
We agree. You hurry up and adjust. That. I also need to readjust mine.
What's going on?
Leo, didn't you already finish? Leo, what are you doing? You completed your trade long ago. Ethan's trade failing is because he's foolish. Why are you copying him? Just hold on to the stocks. Dad believes in you.
That's right, Leo, you just said you were sure to make money. What else do you need to do?
I feel my trade still needs some improvements. I need to revise it again. After all, this is $1 billion. I need to be more cautious. Okay, take your time. Don't rush. Follow your own thoughts.
Been staring at the screen for too long. I'm a bit tired. Gonna take a break.
What is he doing? This is...
This man, how can he just rest now? What are we going to do?
At such a crucial moment, he's still playing games. The stock price is already falling. Ethan is taking this way too lightly, isn't he?
What does he want to do? I don't know how to trade myself. I can't let myself be embarrassed in front of so many people, can I?
Since you can copy anything I do, then I'll just do nothing.
Ethan, you hurry up and sell your stocks now. Your account has already lost over $100 million, and you still dare to play games here?
I clearly calculated there were no mines nearby. How did it blow up?
This is too much. He completely disregards the company's money. A person like him doesn't deserve to inherit the company.
No one. I need to play in advanced mode.
He's actually gotten addicted to playing. In such an important situation, Ethan is being so childish. Does he have any sense of responsibility left?
What's going on? The funds I deposited with your company, how did they all get lost? Give me an explanation now. Otherwise, I'm suing you. Please calm down, sir. There's just a small issue. We'll make it back now. Hey, my $30 million in the account. Why was it used to buy a junk stock? What are your traders doing? Please wait. We'll solve this problem very soon. Mr. Chu, what should we do if we don't fill the company's deficit soon? Our company's reputation in the industry will be ruined. Ethan, if you don't sell those stocks now, I'll immediately announce that you're disowned by the Chu family.
Leo and I bought the same stock, and he bought even more. Now that it's losing money, you tell me to cut losses and then keep holding? How fair of you.
Leo can earn it back. Can you? Ethan, now is not the time for you to throw a fit. The stock price is fluctuating so drastically. The chairman told you to sell. It's for the company's good. Hurry up and make the trade.
I won't sell the stocks, but as for making the trade, I'm a little thirsty. A cup of coffee would be great.
What do you think you're doing?
Well, me. Once my bodily functions aren't satisfied, I can't complete the trade. You all better wait.
Ethan, you're being outrageous. Everyone in the entire company is watching you, and you're still stalling for time here. This isn't your money. You can't just do whatever you want.
Get him a cup of coffee. Leo, ignore him. Focus on your own trades. If anything goes wrong, Dad's got your back. Okay, I'll set it up right away. Can you believe Ethan is ignoring the stocks he just bought? So what should I do now? This parameter, whatever it is, I've never even heard of it, let alone setting it up. Could it be, am I supposed to give up like him? No, I can't. He only has $200 million, but I have $1 billion. I've got it. Oh, I'm thirsty too. I'll go get a cup of coffee as well.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
Oh, no need. I'll go myself. Ethan, you've played your game and had your coffee. Isn't it time to set the parameters now? If anything happens to our company's funds while they're in your account, I'm not done with you.
Ethan, it's no longer about whether you can beat Leo anymore. Your account losses have already reached $180 million. Why aren't you doing something? Leo has been holding on to the stocks. He must be confident. Ethan, on the other hand, the chairman told him to sell, but he still won't listen. Ethan, sell your stocks. Don't drag down the company.
Leo's not here. I'll use this time to calculate and set the stop-loss parameters. Just like that. It's finally done. My newly devised oscillation parameter. is perfectly suited for the current situation. Esteemed board members,
My parameters are set. Good. Our Leo is still the most reliable.
Leo, weren't you out getting coffee?
Ethan, you were too engrossed just now. You didn't even notice me come back. Everyone, the parameters I've set are specifically designed to handle situations with drastic stock price fluctuations. Please take a look, everyone. Ethan, the parameters I've set are something I just came up with. They're to be used when stock fluctuations exceed 5%. I've named it the oscillation parameter. What's yours called, I wonder? Even if you just thought of it, I know all about it.
Oscillation parameter. Usage range, 5%. No one knows but me. Could it be me?
Ethan, your parameters this time, how are they the same as mine again? Whether it's the closing position price or the hedge ratio, they're all identical. This can't be.
It's the same again. Looks like Ethan's gotten addicted to plagiarism. He's truly the scum of the Chu Corporation. Ethan is truly shameless. His brother finally came up with a strategy, and he just shamelessly copied it.
Chairman, I request to cancel Ethan's qualification as an heir. A person like this doesn't deserve to be an heir.
Did I get a second chance at life? Only to still be unable to change the outcome of being slandered?
Ethan, how do you explain this time?
What a disgrace to the family. What a disgrace. How could I, Martin Chu, have a son like you? Ethan, your previous operations being the same could still be called a coincidence, but now it's the same again. I really don't know how to help you make excuses.
Shut up. You're the one who copied me. Stop putting on an act here.
Ethan, these strategies and methods were all thought up by me. Moreover, my operating time was earlier than yours. How could I possibly copy you? Ethan, don't think that just because your brother is good-tempered, you can be so unreasonable. If you dare to bully him again, I won't be polite.
I request to inspect Leo's computer. He must have found some way to steal my investment movements.
What?
There was a screen between him and me. How could he still copy me? It must be that his computer was tampered with.
No way. How could Leo do something like that? Ethan, stop causing a scene.
Ethan, please believe me. I truly didn't cheat.
I request to inspect Leo's computer.
Ethan, are you sure?
I'm sure. If he didn't have some kind of eavesdropping device installed on his computer, he couldn't possibly know the strategy one just came up with.
Ethan, haven't you made enough of a scene? Leo has been leading the competition all along with his real talent. Unlike you, acting like a sore loser when you lose. What a disgrace.
You can't stand losing, so you accuse Leo of cheating. You're going too far.
Never mind, Chloe. Dad, since Ethan wants to check, let him check. I don't want Ethan to misunderstand me. Ethan, I know you're upset, but there's really no need for this. If a check can calm you down, then do it.
No, he just didn't dare let me check his computer. No, how did he agree?
Leo, you're just too kind-hearted. Since Leo has agreed, I'd like to see what you can find. Guards.
It must be this way. Otherwise, how could he know my operations? Like the back of his hand?
Mr. Chu, esteemed board members, it's been clarified. After a comprehensive inspection, Leo's computer has no eavesdropping or remote control software installed. The network used is the company's normal local area network. Neither computer shows any signs of espionage.
What? This is impossible. No, really no. Then, how did he copy me?
Ethan, what do you have to say for yourself now?
Tell me, what exactly happened? Why did you know every step I was going to take in advance?
Ethan, knew in advance? I didn't. Besides, my computer, haven't you already checked it?
There must be some other method. Tell me, hurry up. Alright, check the surveillance. The surveillance must have recorded his plagiarism in its entirety.
Let go. What are you doing? Leo. Are you okay? Ethan, are you crazy? 1 minute you want to check computers, the next you want to check surveillance. How long are you going to keep this up?
I'm fine. After all, Ethan lost the competition. It's normal for him to be emotional. However, to prove my innocence, I agree to check the surveillance. Leo, are you just going to let this ungrateful son mess around? No cheating means no cheating. There's no need to prove anything to him. Dad, after all, we're family. If I don't let Ethan check until he's satisfied today, I think there will always be a rift between us. Fine. Then pull up the surveillance footage. Let everyone see what this ungrateful son means by cheating. What exactly is going on? Yes, Mr. Chu.
No cheating. He really didn't cheat. Then how did he plagiarize?
Where did Leo cheat? Is Ethan going to start making excuses again? First he claimed his computer was bugged. Now he wants to check the surveillance. What is Ethan trying? Ethan, if you can't beat Leo in investment, fine. But now you're forcing him to admit plagiarism. The way you are now. There's no way I can marry you.
Chloe, you not only don't believe me, but you keep defending him. Are you my fiancé or his?
Last time, I saw Miss Shen helping Leo organize reports. Their heads were so close together. Anyone who didn't know would think they were a couple. It's clear that Leo is going to inherit the Chu Corporation. Of course, the Shen family wants to cling to that. But if you ask me, marrying Ethan isn't as good as marrying Leo. At the very least, Leo's character is better than Ethan's. Ethan, that's a slanderous lie. Leo is being wrongly accused by you. What's wrong with me caring about him? Besides, right now, you're the one suspected of plagiarism. Although my Shen family isn't as powerful as the Chus in Riverdale City, we're a reputable family. How can I, a young lady from the Shen family, be engaged to someone who doesn't even have integrity?
Chloe, what do you mean?
I announce that the Shen family officially cancels the engagement with Ethan. As of today, Ethan and I will have nothing more to do with each other.
Chloe,
Mr. Chu, you don't need to persuade me. Ethan doesn't deserve me. If I'm to marry, it'll be to someone responsible.
Ethan, are you happy with this situation now?
Miss Shen, you can't distinguish right from wrong and favor outsiders. Even if you didn't call off the engagement, I was going to break it off myself.
You're completely unreasonable.
Ethan, shut up. Since the competition began, you've been targeting Leo at every turn. Even when exposed for plagiarism, you still make all sorts of excuses, and now you're taking it out on Chloe. With your mean, cynical, and irresponsible character, you don't deserve to be the Chu family's heir.
Fine. From now on, Ethan, will have nothing to do with the Chu family.
What did you say?
Weren't you hoping for me to leave the Chu family, to make way for your precious adopted son, and clear a path for him? Isn't that right?
Ethan, don't make Dad angry. Apologize to Dad quickly. At worst, once I inherit the company, I'll give you an assistant position. That way, you'll at least have a living. Ethan!
Leo, your hypocritical act is exactly the same as in your past life.
Past life? What past life? Ethan, what are you talking about? Ethan, are you still pretending to be crazy here? Haven't you disgraced the Chu family enough? I gotta disgrace the Chu family. The onlookers remain literally shook.
The Chu group. What's going on here?
Miss Su, they say it's because Ethan, the eldest young master of the Chu group, wanted the inheritance, so he stole his brother Leo's investment strategy.
Who did you say? Ethan.
Yes, that's right, Miss Su. Ethan wandered for many years, then Martin Chu found him and brought him back. Today is the Chu group's day to choose an heir.
Ethan. It's really you. I finally found you.
I'm embarrassing myself? Is making money for the company also embarrassing?
It's gone up. The stock price has recovered.
Leo, you're incredible.
What does this have to do with you? You still copied Leo. How could you earn so much money?
Exactly. All of this is Leo's achievement. Stop taking credit.
His achievement. Leo, honestly, ask yourself, does this investment have anything to do with you?
Ethan, I know you have a huge misunderstanding about me, but I've really been working hard to learn. Dad adopted me. I have to work my heart out to make money for Dad and the company to repay his kindness.
Cut it out with that act. I'm sick of hearing it. You know perfectly well who copied you.
Ethan, it's bad enough you plagiarized, but you're also a coward who won't admit it. Are you even a man?
Not only is Leo a master of investment, but in how he treats people, he's also much better than Ethan. I believe only someone like him is qualified to be the heir to our company. Indeed, from a data perspective, Leo definitely won. I think there's no dispute about him becoming the company's heir. Ethan, everyone can see clearly now. Please stop saying I plagiarized, okay?
Oh yeah. Since you say you didn't plagiarize, then prove it to everyone. Tell us, how did you calculate the oscillation parameter?
Ethan, how much longer are you going to keep making excuses? Leo's investment process was there for everyone to see. What's there to prove?
In that case, he must know this parameter, like the back of his hand. Then have him share it with everyone. What's the problem?
Leo's investment strategy earns so much money for the Chu Group. It's a trade secret. Why should he tell you? Ethan, stop causing a scene.
I don't think he dares. And just explaining the thought process isn't really a trade secret, is it? Leo, wouldn't you agree?
Alright, to make him completely convinced of his loss. Leo, why don't you tell everyone your thought process for setting the parameters?
That's right. Leo, go ahead. Show these petty people whether you're truly qualified to be the heir.
Ethan, are you sure you want this? If you really say it, the accusation of plagiarism against you will be undeniable.
Speak up. I don't believe you can say it.
Fine. In that case, I'll just say a few words. If there's anything incorrect, I hope Ethan can help me fill in the gaps.
Does he really know? No. Ain't no way. Setting the parameter at the point where the loss hits 30% was my original idea. No one else could know. But me.
The setting of this trend-following parameter determines the flexible stop-loss position based on stock price fluctuations, and according to my calculations, the optimal point for the stock is to set it when the loss reaches 30%. So that's how it is. This idea is indeed feasible. Anyone who could come up with this method is absolutely a genius.
Leo, you're amazing.
How is that possible? How does he know everything I'm thinking?
Ethan, didn't you want to hear how this parameter is set? Or tell us what you think needs improvement? Ethan, what do you have to say for yourself now? Leo clearly explained his thought process for setting the parameters. Every single point is worth considering. But you, besides just copying, can you say anything professional?
I told you so. Leo could never plagiarize. His understanding of the strategy is so profound. How could Ethan copy it? He wouldn't even grasp the essence. No wonder Leo makes so much money. His ideas are so brilliant. Ethan, he's way behind compared to Leo. Exactly. This Ethan truly lost both the competition and his reputation. Someone like him should leave the Chu Group as soon as possible.
Everyone saw it. Leo is the true, legitimate investor. On the other hand, Ethan, since the competition began, he's been copying Leo at every turn. And when exposed, he still refuses to admit it. This kind of person is a disgrace to the Chu Group. Ethan, don't struggle anymore. No matter what you come up with, the one accused of plagiarism will only be you. I announce, the winner of this competition is Leo. Regarding Ethan plagiarizing Leo, I won't protect him. Someone take him to the police station for serious punishment. I'll kill you, you imposter.
A man like you, full of lies, and with no responsibility, doesn't deserve to marry me.
Did getting a second chance at life mean I still can't change anything?
Stop it. Stop.
The Su family is here. What an honor. My apologies for the poor welcome. Please forgive us for not welcoming you sooner.
The Su family, you mean that one? The richest family in the capital, the Su family. Why are they here? Exactly. Although our Chu Corporation is also a big company, compared to the Su family, we're nothing. Why have they come to the Chu Corporation?
Ethan, are you all right?
You are, Serena?
Mr. Chu, I hear your Chu Corporation is selecting a successor today. Allow me to introduce everyone. This is my son, Leo Chu. He is also the future successor of our Chu group. Hello, Mr. Su, Miss Su. I'm not sure why the Su family has come today to our Chu Corporation.
I heard your Chu Corporation has a genius trader. My father and I specifically came to if it's true, as the rumors say, if it's true, my Su family will invest $10 billion in you.
10 billion? If this deal goes through, our Chu Corporation will enter the ranks of top investment firms. Indeed. Ethan is out of the question. Now it's up to Leo to win the Su family's approval. Miss Su, the investment genius you're talking about is my son, Leo Chu. Entrusting the funds to him will definitely put them to their best use. That's right, Miss Su, with my strategies.
I'm not talking about Leo Chu. It's Ethan.
Miss Su, aren't you mistaken? Although he is my son, he only knows how to plagiarize. I'm about to send him to the police station.
That's right, Ethan has terrible character. If we entrust such a large amount of capital to him, the Su family will face huge risks.
One of you is Ethan's father, and the other is Ethan's former fiancé. Yet you don't believe Ethan, and instead side with an outsider?
Miss Su, you don't understand the situation. What you mean is,
I've watched their competition, and there's no conclusive evidence to prove Ethan plagiarized. What our Su family needs is a truly brilliant investor. My idea is this: let them compete one more time. Whoever wins will receive $10 billion in investment from my Su family. And what's more, the outcome will be judged by the two financial consultants we've specially invited. These two experts are absolutely fair and impartial, so there will definitely be no more incidents of favoritism.
Mr. Su, you mean, what I mean, is what my daughter means. I trust her judgment. Let's go with her proposal. Today, I'll just observe the competition. Leo, what do you say? Of course I have no problem with it. It's just that I wonder if Ethan is willing to compete again. What right does he have to choose? Today, with the Su family present, if you dare to plagiarize again and completely disgrace our Chu family, I will never forgive you. This Ethan is a habitual plagiarist. If we let him compete on stage again, won't he just bring shame to our Chu Corporation?
Ethan is a plagiarist. Even if he's given another chance, he'll still lose to Leo.
Ethan, I believe in you. Show them that you didn't plagiarize.
Alright, I'll compete with him.
This competition is best of 3 rounds. The first round tests investors' basic knowledge. In front of each of you is a buzzer, which you will use to buzz in. There are 3 questions in total for this competition. The first to answer 2 correctly wins.
Leo, this time, I'm going to expose your true colors.
Ethan, you're so strong. So later, you'll have to go easy on me. Go, Leo. When you win, Dad will throw you a celebration party.
Leo, show them your real talent.
What kind of people are these? Ethan, you can do it.
Are both parties ready? I'm ready. Question number 1. Please listen to the question. In an investment portfolio, adding assets from different industries, what is the main purpose? Start buzzing in. Ethan, why are you looking at me? Why aren't you buzzing in?
Leo, are you an investment genius? You answer it. I won't compete with you.
Leo, you've buzzed in. Hurry up and answer.
Leo, why are you answering the question? This question is so simple. You can definitely answer it right away.
Has Ethan gone crazy? Why isn't he buzzing in? I've got it. I was just thinking. This investment portfolio. What's the purpose of an investment portfolio?
To reduce unsystematic risk by diversifying investments across different industries. Oh no.
I thought of it. It can reduce unsystematic risk by diversifying investments across different industries to avoid the fluctuations of a single industry from having too great an impact on the overall portfolio. Leo answered correctly. He gets 1 point. Excellent. See? Our Leo's fundamentals are solid.
Hey, he can read my mind. So this is how you plagiarize, huh?
Huh. Ethan, what are you talking about? The first round isn't over yet. Both contestants, please continue answering. Question number 2. In stock trading, the closing price refers to the last transacted price at the end of each trading day. Is this statement correct?
Leo can read my mind. I don't think of anything. He won't be able to answer.
Leo, please answer.
What? What's wrong with Leo? He's buzzed in already. Why isn't he answering? Why is he looking at Ethan? Exactly. Besides, this question is so easy. It's basic knowledge. He should just answer it.
This statement, is it correct or not?
Of course not. The closing price is Leo.
Incorrect. The closing price is the volume-weighted average price of a security's transactions during the final minute of trading on a given day. Correct. Leo gets another point. First round, Leo wins.
That's great.
Leo, keep up the momentum. Win the second round too.
Wait a minute. Leo is cheating. He didn't know the answer to this question at all. He was trying to make me think of the answer. He's baiting me to come up with the answer.
Ethan, what's wrong with you? This is a quick response question. Just because you're too slow to buzz in, doesn't mean you can frame Leo.
And even if you did, think of the answer. If you don't buzz in yourself, what does that have to do with Leo? I don't know how to explain it to you all, but he really is plagiarizing.
Ethan, I'm not. I was originally going to give you a point, seeing you didn't answer, but I didn't expect you wouldn't know it.
We've all been watching. Leo answered it himself. What does it have to do with you? Exactly. Who wouldn't know such a simple question? You can't answer it yourself, so you claim Leo cheated. Your nerve is truly astounding. If you can't compete, just concede early.
How could Ethan possibly lose to Leo? For him, these are all basic skills.
Please remain quiet. The rules for the quick response round are clear. No violations were found. Now, we begin the second round. Ethan, thanks for letting me win.
Ethan, I believe in you. Keep competing with him. You can definitely win.
The second round assesses an investor's ability to assess market risks. The Chu family plans to make an investment of $2 billion in the crude oil market. Both parties, please use the current crude oil candlestick chart to determine the future trend and explain your reasoning.
Crude oil market.
Ethan, no matter how novel your ideas are, I'll always be one step ahead of you. The label of plagiarist is something you'll never get away. You may begin now. Go on, write. Write more. The better you write, the more they'll praise me. Everyone, please look. This is my judgment on the future trend of crude oil. Based on my understanding, now is a good time to enter the market. Young man, please share your assessment. By analyzing the daily and weekly charts of crude oil, I conclude that crude oil prices will continue to rise. Within the next 72 hours, the target price can break $85. In the mid to long term, it's expected to stabilize at the $90 mark. Good. Leo truly possesses the caliber of a Chu family heir.
As expected, all my actions, he can copy. If this continues, I'll always be one step behind him, and the label of plagiarism will never come off.
Ethan, your risk assessment should be ready by now, right? You've been zoning out for so long. How about you show everyone? Let's see if this time it's the same as mine again. Ethan, how come your whiteboard is blank? Don't tell me. You don't know anything? Ethan, you actually pulled this stunt in front of the Chu family. It's one thing if you can't write it, but putting on an act there, scribbling away, what's the use? Ethan, your risk assessment should be ready by now, right? You've been zoning out for so long. Show everyone.
This analysis result cannot be revealed yet. Otherwise, Leo will surely use this to make a big deal again.
You useless bum. Do you think by using these petty tricks you can defy me? I'm telling you, no matter what methods you come up with, in the end, I will definitely win. Dad, please don't be angry. Ethan is just too nervous. After all, this is a $2 billion investment analysis. It's normal not to be able to figure it out right away. Experts, I wonder if you're satisfied with my risk assessment. Excellent. It's extremely well written. This risk assessment and the candlestick chart prediction in terms of investment couldn't be written without 10 years of experience.
Leo's analysis is brilliant. Now that's professionalism. Unlike Ethan, if he can't plagiarize Leo's work, he has no idea where to start.
Ethan, why aren't you writing a risk assessment? Are you giving up on this challenge? Ethan, if you can't write it, then don't. I'll teach you later. Experts, so, can this round be counted as my win?
Wait, Leo, don't get ahead of yourself. You haven't won yet. Experts, if I point out Leo's problems, can I be considered the winner?
If your answer can earn our approval, then you win.
Alright. Everyone take a close look. Leo's risk assessment has fatal flaws.
What does Ethan mean by this? He didn't write a single word himself, and now he has the nerve to analyze other people's flaws. Even the two experts said Leo wrote well. I think he's about to lose, and he's just stalling for time.
Ethan, you haven't written anything yourself. What right do you have to point out Leo's flaws? Just get down from there, and stop making a fool of yourself.
Who said I didn't write anything? I just erased my draft. The reason I erased it is because my draft had problems, but someone else, without knowing it, blindly copied it all.
You're talking nonsense. This is my original analysis. You can't write it yourself, so you want to frame me, and how could you possibly refute this point?
Why can't I refute your point? Isn't it your original work? Unless this risk assessment was written by me, then I couldn't refute it, right?
I didn't mean that. Oh, right. Didn't you say my assessment had flaws? Then go ahead and point them out. Yeah, Ethan, we've analyzed it for a long time, and we haven't found any problems, Mr. Sue. You absolutely must not let Ethan trick you. This guy just loves to put on an act. He can't answer the question himself, so he has to slander Leo. Serena, this Ethan.
Dad, I trust Ethan. He wouldn't plagiarize.
Everyone, please look. Leo's analysis states that oil prices will rise, but he ignored key piece of information. Last week, global crude oil reserves unexpectedly increased by 3 million barrels, and an increase in inventory means prices won't rise.
Ethan is absolutely right. We all overlooked that point. As I just promised, I declare Ethan the winner of this round.
Ethan, I knew it. You could do it.
Ethan, how dare you trick me?
How did I trick you? Didn't you write this risk assessment yourself? What does it have to do with me?
What's wrong with him?
Don't rush, Leo. You've only lost one round. There's still a third round. Dad, I'm fine. I just overlooked such a crucial factor. I'm just annoyed with myself. Ethan, next round, I'll be serious. For the final round, both parties are to write an investment report for a $10 billion fund. The one with the best content wins.
Leo, Didn't you say you could read my mind? This time, I'll let you plagiarize thoroughly.
Both parties may begin.
Quantum entanglement hedge model. Based on dark matter, fluctuation cycle arbitrage logic.
Dark matter? Black holes? I've never heard of these terms. It must be some new strategy. Who cares? I'll just write whatever you write. Serena. Ethan, is he really as good as you say? Even though he saved your life before, we can't just casually entrust $10 billion to him, can we? I think that Leo is quite good too.
Dad, you don't understand Ethan. I believe in him. He can definitely do it. And I came this time precisely to clear his name.
The model requires daily calibration at 3:07 a.m. by adjusting the Sirius star spectrums, data to lock in profits.
Time is almost up. I'm done writing. Dad, Mr. Su, board members, my $10 billion investment plan is complete. This plan integrates cutting-edge financial theories. This time, it will definitely double the Su family's capital. Ethan, I still finished writing before you. This time, I still win. Once I inherit the Chu Corporation and secure the Su family's $10 billion investment, I'll make you crawl out of here. Good job, Leo. Read out what you wrote to everyone. Let Ethan see what a true genius is.
Leo's investment plan is the best.
Leo, this plan you wrote, there are many parts one don't understand. Don't understand? How can you not understand? These terms you mentioned, I've never heard them in the industry. Can you explain them? Never heard? Although I don't know these terms, it's impossible that he hasn't heard of them. Leo, you can't just read it like that. Go on, read it aloud for everyone to hear. This investment adopts the quantum entanglement hedge model by capturing the dark matter fluctuation cycle.
Quantum entanglement, dark matter. Is this science fiction or an investment report? What is this even saying? Did he grab the wrong report?
Leo, your quantum entanglement hedge model in the financial world has never been documented as a theory. Are you sure you didn't make a mistake? What do you know? This is a theory I just researched. It's normal for you not to have heard of it. Just keep listening. For risk control, we need to introduce Pluto's orbital period, volatility correction factor.
Pluto is involved now. This plan of his is really something. I think he's just making things up.
What is this writing?
Leo, let me correct you. First, Pluto was demoted from a planet back in 2006. Second, the orbital periods of celestial bodies should have nothing to do with stock market fluctuations, unless you're gazing at the stars at night while making your investments.
Leo, didn't you write this? Answer us.
What right do you have to question me? Right, judges, look at what he wrote. Look, his report is definitely the same as mine. It really is identical. What's going on? What else could be going on? Ethan must be plagiarizing Leo again. Mr. Su, I suggest we disqualify Ethan and directly declare Leo the winner. Serena, Ethan, did he really plagiarize?
Dad, Ethan wouldn't plagiarize.
I didn't plagiarize. Please project my investment report. Judges, please delete the parts I've underlined, and then rearrange what's left. Then, rotate the candlestick chart 180 degrees.
This is...
Ethan, I was right about you.
This is Ethan's real investment report. Many of the points mentioned here are quite novel. His investment perspective is truly innovative. Ethan, I have a question. Since you could have written this report directly, why did you go through all this trouble?
Because if I didn't do this, he would have plagiarized me.
Ethan, I didn't. Are you misunderstanding me?
Leo, for all these years, you've stolen my ideas and taken credit for my achievements. None of that matters anymore. But you actually, in front of so many people, accused me of plagiarism and even caused me to
I'll kill you, that imposter.
But I never thought. Leo, you could be this foolish. I wrote something so outrageous, and you copied it word for word. Don't you use your brain?
No. Then explain it.
So it turns out, Leo was the plagiarist all along. We all wrongly accused Ethan before. Leo, that scoundrel. Looks like he's been plagiarizing Ethan all along. He's the one who should be kicked out of the Chu Corporation.
Leo, I hope you can give us an explanation. Otherwise, we will hold you accountable for your past actions and pursue legal action. I didn't plagiarize anything. Leo, are you okay?
Leo, now, do you know what it feels like to be wrongly accused by you, and to be condemned by everyone?
Don't worry, Dad's got your back. Even if Ethan wins, I won't make him the heir. I disagree.
Leo, it's okay. It's just a competition. Ethan, it's all your fault.
He plagiarized me. I exposed him. Why is that my fault?
First, whether Leo plagiarized you or not is still uncertain. Second, you've been so aggressive. And you've made Leo suffer like this. How can it not be your fault?
You ungrateful son. Look what you've done to your brother. You pushed him to this point. He's your own brother. Do you have any humanity left?
I'm aggressive? I have no humanity. When he framed me before, why did no one speak up for me? Now I've only exposed his true colors. And all of you are jumping to his defense.
How dare you talk back to me?
Someone like you doesn't deserve to be my father. You don't deserve to be my father.
You bastard. How dare you hit back?
Ethan. I knew it. You wouldn't plagiarize.
Serena, thank you. You gave me the chance to prove myself.
Ethan, congratulations. Not only did you save my daughter back then, but now you've also shown such incredible investment talent. Are you willing to come work for the Su family? Search carefully for her. Don't let her get away. That girl is worth a lot. Yes, sir.
Run that way. Run to where there are people, and you'll be safe.
Mister, let's go together.
I know this place well. I'll lead them away. Then you can slip away.
Mister, my name is Serena Sue. You still haven't told me your name.
My name is Ethan Chu. Come and catch me.
You little brat. How dare you hit me? Grab him.
I accept.
Exactly, in the Su family. Mr. Su, you previously promised to entrust $10 billion to our Chu Corporation for management. See, Mr. Chu, regarding this matter, I don't get to decide whether it goes to your company or not. It's up to my daughter.
Miss Sue, what do you say? I've said it before. Whoever wins gets to manage the funds. Ethan won, so my investment partner is naturally Ethan.
I understand your meaning. Ethan is my son. Entrusting the funds to Ethan and to our Chu Corporation is the same thing. We're all family. I won't treat him unfairly.
There's a huge difference. My Su family's money only goes to those who are capable and innocent. Besides, Ethan won fair and square, so my Su family's money should naturally go to someone capable of making it grow in value. As for the Chu Corporation, you can't even tell the true identity of your successor, and you even cover up plagiarism. A company like that, how can I possibly trust it with $10 billion?
Ethan, explain to Miss Sue that you'll invest this money carefully.
Of course, I'll invest carefully. You don't need to worry about that.
What do you mean?
Are you losing your mind? Didn't you just tell me to get out? And I've already agreed to work for the Su family's company. What does this money have to do with you?
What? You're abandoning the family? Ethan, I'm telling you, you're not allowed to leave. You must stay here.
So, you don't want me, your son, but this money, right? Martin Chu, remember this. You're the one who drove me away. You just enjoy your life with your precious son.
Ethan.
Leo, what happened to you? I wasn't home these past few days. How did you end up like this?
Mom.
Hurry, lie down, lie down. You old fool. Our son is in this state, and you didn't even take him to the hospital.
I did. The doctor examined him and said it was nothing serious, just extreme shock and emotional tension.
Where's Ethan? His brother is like this. Why hasn't he come back to see him? Mrs. Chu, Leo is in this state, all because of Ethan. If he hadn't forced Leo to admit to plagiarism, Leo wouldn't have ended up in the hospital. What did you say? Leo is like this because of Ethan. Call him right now. Tell him to come back now. I want to ask him myself what he's thinking, and if he still considers this his home.
Home? Ethan knows. I won't give him the inheritance. He already renounced the family.
Renounced the family? That ungrateful son. Back then, I shouldn't have brought him back. He should have stayed outside, wandering, begging.
Mom. Dad, don't blame my brother. He was exposed for plagiarism in front of so many people. He must have been desperate, and that's why he blamed me.
Leo, Ethan has ruined you like this, and you're still defending him. You're just too kind-hearted. If you keep this up, he'll be your downfall sooner or later.
Speaking of plagiarism, Leo, that investment report you wrote at the last investment conference, what did it mean? Pluto, dark matter. What was all that about? Explain it to us, so we can prove your innocence.
Yes, Leo, maybe those two financial advisors the Su family hired weren't competent enough. Please explain it to us now.
Well, Leo.
Leo, just tell them.
Ethan's not here. How am I supposed to explain? And all that Pluto stuff. Ethan deliberately wrote it to trick me. Ugh, my head hurts so much.
Leo, what's wrong? Hurry, lie down. Martin, do you have any conscience left? Our son is in this state, and you're still asking questions? Mrs. Chu, please don't be angry. We're just trying to help Leo prove his innocence. It's all Ethan's fault. If he hadn't been targeting Leo in the competition, how would Leo have ended up like this? Leo, he's been our designated successor for a long time. The future prosperity of the Chu Corporation rests on his shoulders. Now he's sick because Ethan scared him. What are we going to do?
Next week is the Riverdale Province's triennial investment competition. I was hoping Leo would win the championship and bring fame to our Chu Corporation. I never expected this at such a critical moment. This had to happen. Dad. It's all my fault. If only I weren't so weak. I wouldn't have collapsed so easily. Oh, Leo, no matter how much money we make, nothing is more important than your health. Dad, as long as I have you too, I'm content. Dad, this investment competition, will Ethan participate? The Su family is wealthy. Now that Ethan has joined them, he'll definitely participate. Why care about that ungrateful son? What's most important now is for you to recover. Dad, if Ethan participates, then I'll participate too.
Oh, Leo. In your current condition, how can you participate in such a high-intensity competition? Listen to Mom this time. We won't participate. You can compete next time. That's right, Leo. Just listen to Mrs. Chu. There will be plenty of opportunities later. This time, there's no need for us to compete with Ethan.
Next time? Who knows if I'll even get to compete with Ethan next time? And right now, everyone's saying I plagiarized. If I don't quickly crush Ethan back into the mud, I might never get another chance. Dad. Mom. Chloe. Actually, I'm not trying to surpass Ethan. I just feel that, no matter who the Chu Corporation ends up with, I want to fight for it, and this time, it's also a very important opportunity for the Chu Corporation.
What a wonderful child. If only he were our biological son, how great that would be. It's all Ethan's fault. So cruel to his own brother. Pushing Leo to this state.
I'm calling that boy right now and telling him to come back and apologize to Leo. Dad, don't. Ethan must be in a rage right now. It's nothing if I suffer a little injustice. No. Leo. It's precisely because of your constant concessions. That Ethan keeps escalating. His attacks on you. I must make him come back.
Ethan, congratulations. First, for you, proving your innocence, and second, for our reunion.
Ethan, I don't care where you are right now. Come home right now.
Sweetheart,
What's wrong?
it's nothing. Let's keep eating.
Ethan, maybe you should answer it. What if it's something important?
Martin, what do you want?
You ungrateful son, you dared to hang up on me? Do you know what Leo has become because of you? Come back immediately and apologize to Leo.
Apologize? You want me to apologize to him? Martin, he's the one who plagiarized me. Why should I apologize to him? And when he slandered me before, why didn't you make him apologize to me?
Don't give me that nonsense. Just tell me, are you coming back or not?
I've already said it. I have nothing to do with your Chu family anymore. I'm not coming back.
You.
Ethan, Mom is sick. If you still care about Mom at all, then come back and see me.
Mom, how did you get sick all of a sudden? At home, only Mom treats me well. I have to go back. I'll be right back.
Ethan, don't worry.
It's nothing, Serena. I'll go back first.
Leo, don't worry. That Ethan will be back to apologize to you soon.
Who said I was going to apologize to him? Who said I was going to apologize to him?
Ethan, how dare you speak like that?
Mom, aren't you sick?
If I didn't say that, would you have come back? To apologize to Leo?
Mom, it seems you've chosen to believe him, not me. So, the only person I cared about in this family also favors Leo.
Ethan, you misunderstood. Dad and Mom didn't call you back to apologize. It's just that I had a slight illness. And they said those angry words out of worry.
A slight illness? Leo, your illness came at quite a convenient time.
Ethan, what are you saying? While you were gone, your brother was always speaking well of you. Now, you're saying such vicious words to curse him. Are you even human? Apologize to your brother immediately.
If not,
Ethan, Leo has always stood up for you. Even after you pushed him to the brink of collapse, he never said a bad word about you. Now, just one apology. Why are you so stubborn? Are you going to turn this family upside down before you're satisfied? Ethan, I don't care how successful you are. At the Su family, this is the Chu family. You must apologize to your brother. Or else, I'll make sure you never set foot in this house again.
I'm not wrong. If anyone should apologize, it's Leo for plagiarizing my strategy and slandering my reputation.
Ethan, I know you're in a rage. It's okay. I never blamed you. There's no need to force an apology.
Leo, what else can you do besides play the victim and seek sympathy? Plagiarizing my investment strategy, winning the written test by reading minds, and when you got caught, you faked illness to escape. No, you're here acting all aggrieved to gain Mom and Dad's pity. Mom, you actually hit me.
I'm hitting you, you disrespectful wretch. You ungrateful son who has no regard for family.
I disregard family ties. Why don't you ask what Leo did to me? Did he show any family affection?
Leo told me everything you did at the company. I can't believe it. You not only plagiarized your brother, but you also accused him baselessly, in front of everyone. And scared him sick.
Mom, please don't be angry. Let's just drop this whole thing. Ethan, I know you feel wronged, that I took what was yours, but we are brothers, after all. How about this? As for the Chu Corporation, I'll give you half. Will you apologize to Mom? Listen, your brother still cares about you. Can't you be a little more understanding?
Leo, your acting skills are so good, it's a shame you're not an actor. Understanding? I'm supposed to be understanding after he plagiarized my investment process, then accused me of plagiarism. Am I supposed to be understanding after he read my mind and stole my plans? And I'm supposed to be understanding. Am I supposed to be understanding after I was beaten to death in my last life?
Ethan, what crazy talk is that? Past lives, next lives, you've had it too good, and forgotten your place. I'm going to beat you to death, you ungrateful wretch. Oh, really? You dare stop me? You've gone too far.
Mom, I've put up with it because you're my elder, but I won't let you beat, curse, or frame me anymore. In my last life, I trusted you, was slandered by Leo, and beaten to death by Dad. But this life, I came back alive. I won't suffer injustice again.
Ungrateful son. Listen to what you just said. Do you think you can gain sympathy by putting on an act? Leo grew up with us. We know his character better than anyone. And you wandered outside since childhood, and came back with a host of bad habits.
Yes. Just blame me. Blame me for not looking after myself when I was out. Blame me for not being by your side, allowing you to bring back an adopted son to replace me.
Ethan, even if your father and I were wrong about this matter, you can't accuse Leo of plagiarism. Leo is innocent. Since childhood, we've hired so many renowned financial mentors to guide him. His investment skills were learned little by little. But you were wandering around as a child. On what grounds can you say that Leo plagiarized you? Mrs. Chu is right, Ethan. During the last succession challenge, your operations were frequently mistaken. If Leo hadn't reported the stock code first, you probably wouldn't even know which one to buy, would you? Though I don't know exactly how you managed to copy Leo's work later. You can't just turn around and accuse him, can you? Leo, you're just too kind. You're always thinking of helping Ethan, but don't you know? Ethan has never appreciated your kindness.
Chloe. Dad. Mom. I'm the one who took my brother's place. That's why. In my heart, I feel I owe him. I know that Ethan wouldn't deliberately slander me. Right, Ethan, he must have gotten confused and thought my words were his own ideas. Ethan, it's okay. I know you didn't mean it. If you think my strategies are helpful to you, I can continue to share them with you in the future as long as you don't make Mom and Dad angry again. And stop talking about plagiarism. I'll pretend nothing happened, okay?
Fine. Since you all trust him so much, then this is what we'll do. This is the investment strategy you wrote yourself. Explain it. Don't tell me about training since childhood or my experience at the Sioux family's challenge. This is the investment plan you wrote yourself, the $10 billion one. What? The dark matter fluctuation cycle, Pluto's orbital period volatility? Explain it. Weren't you trained since childhood? Aren't you an investment genius? Then explain what purpose all this stuff you wrote serves.
Leo, explain it to him today. Make him completely convinced.
Leo, speak up. Why are you still trying to go easy on him at a time like this? Just say it. Ethan, you actually want to make me look like a fool in public again. What now? Oh, my head hurts. Why does your head hurt again? Sit down, quickly, sit down.
Stop asking. Ethan, did you plan this all along? You clearly knew Leo wasn't feeling well. Yet you deliberately brought up so many questions to make things difficult for him. Are you alright?
This illness of yours, it's very convenient, isn't it? It just so happens that when it's a critical moment, your head starts to hurt.
Ethan, Leo is already like this. How can you still make snide remarks?
Didn't you all not believe me? I just asked him to prove himself. He's just faking illness because he's guilty. Can't you tell?
Shut your mouth. I originally felt a little guilty for losing you when you were little. I truly did. But seeing you like this now, acting like this, I regret ever giving birth. Leo, are you feeling better?
Oh, I feel much better now. Leo, listen to Dad. let's not go to the investment competition this time. Your current physical condition isn't suitable for participating.
What? The investment competition? Him? Does he even qualify?
Ethan, you've gone too far. If you hadn't slandered Leo, making him lose face in front of so many people, he wouldn't have to work so hard to prove himself now.
Ethan, Dad is right. In my current condition, I can't participate in any competition. However, if you want to participate in the investment competition, Ethan, I can help you analyze market trends and sort out the trading logic. After all, we're brothers. Helping you puts my mind at ease.
Ethan, look at Leo. He's still thinking of helping you. Do you deserve Leo's kindness?
Help me? Leo, stop putting on an act here. You just want to use the excuse of helping me to learn my investment strategy. Once you've learned my methods, you'll go to the competition and steal my credit. Right? Was copying my previous strategies not enough? Now you're pulling this trick again.
Shut up. Ethan, stop judging others by your own low standards. You're too overconfident. Leo is trying to help you with good intentions, yet every word you say is sharp and your mind is full of schemes. I'm telling you honestly, for this investment competition, whether Leo goes or not, you are forbidden to go.
Why can't I go? I'm telling you, I'm going to this competition. I want you all to see if I have real talent or not.
You dare? Because I am your father, I'm telling you now, if you dare to go, I'll disown you.
Who's going to lay a hand? Whether Ethan participates in the investment competition, our Su family has the final say. Whether or not Ethan participates in the competition is for the Su family to decide.
Miss Su, what are you doing here?
Mr. Chu, whether Ethan participates or not, first, it depends on his own will. Second, it depends on whether the Su family agrees.
Serena, what are you doing here?
If I didn't come, you'd let this family bully you?
Miss Su, this is the Chu family's home. No matter how powerful your Su family is, you have no right to interfere.
Miss Shin, if I'm not mistaken, your surname is Shin. Not Chu, right? This has nothing to do with you. Oh, right, I forgot to mention. Now, I'm Ethan's girlfriend. As his girlfriend, I care if he participates in the competition. And if he can do what he wants, why wouldn't I have the right?
Girlfriend? Ethan. How could you be with her?
What's wrong, Chloe? I remember I already announced the annulment of our engagement, didn't I?
Miss Shin, Ethan is such a good man, and you didn't appreciate him. Instead, you chose such a worthless piece of trash. I really should thank you.
You. Miss Su, what are you?
Oh, what's all this about? If Ethan wants to participate in the competition, no one dares to stop him. If anyone dares to lay a hand on Ethan again, or gossip about him, our Su family has ways to show the Chu family what consequences are.
Why? Why should a useless cast-off like you even get to come back? Why do you so easily get the Su family support? Ethan, just you wait. I'll make you lose everything.
Ethan, don't push yourself too hard. You have 2 days left. There's still time.
It's been tough on you, Serena, staying up so late with me. Just 10 more minutes, okay? After I finish reviewing this set of data.
No need. You focus on your work. I'll wait for you in the lounge outside.
Hello?
Ethan, you spearheaded last year's new energy investment project. We need to finalize the payment with the partner, and you have to personally verify and sign it. So, could I trouble you?
Leo? Aren't you the Chu Corporation heir? I have nothing to do with the Chu family anymore. Figure it out yourself.
Wait. Ethan, I was wrong before. I shouldn't have plagiarized you. I truly realize my mistake. If we don't get the final payment, the employees won't get their salaries.
Whether or not salaries are paid is your business, not mine.
But if that happens, your former employees won't get paid either. Remember Lou from the marketing department? He followed you for 3 years, and his mom is still in the hospital.
One last time.
Ethan, don't worry. This is the only time I'll trouble you. After this, I promise I won't bother you again. The partner set the time for 2 p.m. tomorrow. The location is the Pinnacle Springs Hotel.
Where's the client?
Ethan, the client's in the hot spring. Come on. Have a seat first. Let's chat for a bit.
I have nothing to talk about with you.
Sit down. Your brother sincerely wants to mend your relationship. Why are you acting so high and mighty? Come on, Ethan.
If you have something to say it quickly. I'm busy.
Dad, didn't we agree to talk calmly today? Ethan, I want to propose a toast. Whatever misunderstandings we had before, today, I want to sincerely apologize to you. Please don't be angry with me anymore, okay?
Leo, what trick are you playing now?
Ethan, you've misunderstood me. I'm sincere. I just want to take this opportunity to properly apologize to you. Ethan, your brother has already said so much. What more do you want? Don't push it. Ethan, don't upset Dad anymore. After all, we're family. I toast you. Come on, Ethan.
All right, we've had our drinks. I hope you won't bother my life anymore from now on.
Ethan, here's the contract. The partner is over at the hot spring.
Sir, what are you looking for?
Who are you? Where's the partner?
The partner? They had an urgent matter and left. They specifically asked us to come and keep you company. What's wrong, sir? Are we not the people you're looking for?
Let me go. I have things to do.
Don't be in such a hurry to leave. This hot spring water was just changed. It would be a shame not to try it.
What are you doing?
Sir, don't be so angry. We just want to help you relax. You've been under a lot of stress lately, haven't you? That's right. You're so handsome. Why be so shy? Are we going to eat you or something?
Don't touch me. I have a girlfriend. If you keep this up, I won't be so polite.
So what if you have a girlfriend when you're out having fun? Who doesn't have a few secrets?
Hey, Ethan, why are you in such a hurry? You're leaving before you even meet our partner.
Leo, you arranged all this, didn't you? That bottle of wine and those 2 women, right?
Ethan, how could you think that of me? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Ethan, I genuinely wanted to reconcile with you today. I even invited a partner to discuss a deal. If you don't believe me, I'll call them to come and let's explain everything in person.
Wait. Sir, why are you running so fast? We haven't had enough time with you yet.
Since Ethan hasn't recovered yet, take him upstairs and let him have some fun. Remember, take good care of Ethan. Don't let him wander off again.
Don't worry, Mr. Chu. We'll definitely take good care of Ethan.
Leo, if you dare to do this, I'll never forgive you.
Ethan, enjoy yourself.
Smile, sir, or the photos won't look good. How will Miss Sue appreciate them then? Come on, let's take another one like this. Now, he'll never be able to clear his name.
What are you doing? How dare you? Lay a hand on my boyfriend.
Miss Sue, please spare us. We don't want to do this. Leo Chu ordered us to do it. That's right, Miss Sue. Leo Chu drugged Ethan. and told us to frame him.
Hand over your phones. Get out of here immediately. Don't let me see you in Riverdale Province again. Otherwise, you know the consequences.
Yes, thank you for sparing us, Miss Sue.
Ethan, are you all right? Are you okay?
I'm so hot.
Ethan, don't panic. I'll take you to the hospital right away. The doctor will quickly reverse the effects.
Don't go. Don't leave. Don't believe them. I don't.
I know. I've never believed them. Ever since you helped me with that brick. Distracting the bad guys in the when we were kids. I knew. You're the kind of idiot who can't lie. I've been looking for you all these years. I wondered where the little boy who saved me had gone. And how he was doing now. Until the day I saw you. I realized that fate truly brings two people who missed back together.
Serena.
That's Ethan Chu. I heard he was wrongly accused of plagiarism by the Chu Corporation recently. Now the Su family is interested in him.
The one next to him must be Serena Su, the Su family's eldest daughter. It seems the Su family is determined to back Ethan.
Look, Leo Chu is here too. Now this is interesting. Last time, the Chu family succession challenge didn't determine a clear winner, but this time, it's a real fight. Ethan, you're here so early. I thought after yesterday's fun with those two beauties that you'd be late today.
Leo, you should focus on yourself first. Ethan was analyzing competition data all day yesterday. I have no idea what you're talking about. Besides, he's not like you, who resorts to such scummy tactics.
Miss Sue, what do you mean by that? I'm just concerning my brother.
Don't bother. As for the hotel matter, we'll settle it later. This time, let's settle it in the competition.
Ethan, what are you doing? Haven't you already reconciled with your brother? Why are you targeting him again?
A leopard can't change its spots. Leo, don't waste your breath on him. The competition is about to start. Let's go.
Ethan.
It's fine. Don't mind them. After today, they'll regret it.
Distinguished guests, honorable contestants, welcome to the 3rd Riverdale Financial Association Investment Competition. The 4 judges for this competition are from the Riverdale Financial Association. They will ensure the fairness and impartiality of this event. However, unlike previous simulated trading competitions, this year's competition has a core adjustment. The most crucial and exciting rule is live trading.
Live trading?
How huge is that risk? Silence, please. This competition isn't just about live trading. Only the profits from live trading will count towards a contestant's score. Furthermore, this competition requires each contestant to deposit an initial capital of $5 billion before participating. Investment types include domestic stocks, regional stocks, futures, and commodities.
$5 billion? That amount is too high. Our company's annual revenue is only $3 billion. We simply can't provide that much liquid capital. I withdraw. Live trading is one thing, but a $5 billion entry fee. My total capital is only $1.5 billion. I'll pass. I withdraw too, Mr. Chu. It looks like you want Leo Chu to take the stage. If $5 billion is lost, that's no small sum. My son, Leo, has greater investment talent than anyone. During the Su family's challenge last time, if Ethan hadn't cheated, Leo would have won long ago. For today's live trading, I've mobilized all of the Chu Group's liquid assets. In total, that's $3.5 billion. The remaining $1.5 billion I secured by mortgaging the Chu Group, which I put up as collateral for a loan. What? Mr. Chu, you're really daring. Mr. Chu, don't you want to reconsider? This is too risky. If something goes wrong, no need. I have absolute faith in my son. I believe that Leo will absolutely make a huge profit today.
Exactly. Our Leo is an investment genius. He definitely won't lose money.
Dad. Mom. Thank you for believing in me.
We, the Su family, are willing to put up $5 billion for Ethan.
$5 billion. The Su family just took it out like that. But Ethan was suspected of plagiarism before. What if they lose it all?
I thought the Chu Corporation was bold enough. But the Su family is even more so. This battle of giants will definitely be exciting. Silence, please. The audacity of the board members is truly admirable. But the excitement of this competition lies in all the talented contestants competing together. Now, please welcome our contestants to the stage.
Leo. Don't be nervous. Dad believes in you.
Ethan, good luck.
Please observe. For this competition, we are using a bar chart, which will visually display the profit and loss of each contestant. The rules are: no restrictions on investment types. The contestant with the highest profit within 3 hours wins.
Ethan. You were lucky yesterday to escape. I wonder if you'll be so lucky today.
Leo, you're not even pretending anymore. Do you think you've already won?
Of course, Ethan. I know everything you're thinking. That's why I'm always one step ahead of you. You'll live your whole life with the stigma of plagiarism. Then, let's see how the Su family could still favor someone like you.
I announce, the competition begins. Hey, look, it's been an hour. Why aren't Ethan and Leo moving?
Yeah, what are they waiting for? The other 3 started long ago. I withdraw. I'm giving up too. I'm out.
What? Now only the 2 of them are left. It seems the champion can only be decided between them.
Ethan. It's just the 2 of us left. Why haven't you started yet?
Leo, you're waiting for me, aren't you? So once I've made my choice, you can immediately copy my move.
Ethan, how can you say that? I just haven't chosen the right stock yet. Honorable judges. Ethan hasn't made any moves. I suspect he's waiting for Leo to make his move so he can plagiarize him. He's always done it that way. I propose we disqualify Ethan from the competition and immediately declare Leo as the winner. Ethan, can you explain why you haven't made any investments yet?
Hold on. Mr. Chu's word is just ridiculous. Every time Ethan doesn't do what you want, you're quick to accuse him of plagiarism. It was the same during the succession challenge. And in this competition, what, in your eyes, does Ethan not even have the ability to think for himself anymore?
Everyone, don't worry. I was just choosing the right stocks. I've made my choice now.
Ethan, I'll watch carefully this time. If I copy you again, let's see how you can trick me. Ethan, why is your growth the same as mine? Did you copy me again? Look, Ethan's rate of return is identical to Leo's.
Yeah, when Leo's goes up, so does his. The rise and fall are exactly the same. Did Ethan really cheat?
Ethan, besides plagiarizing, can you do anything else? Honorable judges, I propose we disqualify Ethan.
Ethan, how could you do this? This is such an important competition. If you cause Leo to lose the competition, do you realize how severe the consequences will be? Ethan, get out of here right now.
Wait. By what right do you say Ethan plagiarized Leo? Why can't it be Leo plagiarized Ethan? Show me your evidence.
How could our Leo plagiarize? Besides, when Leo's stocks rise, his rise too. It's obvious who copied whom. Mr. Chu is right. Disqualify Ethan.
Ethan is an anomaly in the investment world. Get down from there.
Honorable judges, please check both their computers. I believe Ethan wouldn't plagiarize.
I declare the competition suspended. Check both computers. Review the surveillance footage. We checked both computers and found no trace of plagiarism from either side. Besides the nearly identical operation times, there were no other anomalies.
However, Ethan was indeed one step behind Leo. If anyone has plagiarism suspicions, Ethan's are the greatest. Ethan, I told you, you can't beat me.
Wait a minute.
Look, the stock price is starting to fall.
This is... How?
How could I lose so much? How could this happen?
Leo Chu, didn't you say I copied you? This is the result of copying you. Investment genius.
Leo, we've already lost $4 billion. Quickly cut your losses. No, how can this be? Ethan, are you crazy? Even if I used mind reading to copy you, you wouldn't go so far as to drag me down with you, would you? This is all the Chu family's money.
You admit you used mind reading. You admit you plagiarized me?
What? So Leo Chu was the one who plagiarized. Leo, what mind reading? What are you talking about? You quickly sell the stock.
Leo, what exactly is going on here? Did you really cheat? So Ethan Chu was wrongly accused all along. Leo Chu was the real cheater.
No. I didn't cheat. Ethan, even if I lost so much, you won't get off easy. You lost just as much as me. The Su family won't let you off.
Even if Ethan really lost $5 billion, our Su family can afford it. Besides, I believe Ethan can definitely earn it back.
Leo Chu, your loss is a real loss. But I was paper trading. I didn't invest a single penny.
What? Impossible. I didn't lose. Ethan, save this stock. Save the Chu Corporation. I know you can do it.
Martin, now you come begging me. Too late.
No, it's not. Not at all. I'll announce right now that you'll inherit the family business. I'll kick him out right now. Ethan, otherwise the Chu Corporation will go bankrupt.
When I said too late, I meant Leo's $5 billion were forcibly liquidated.
Ethan, don't get too ahead of yourself with your abilities. You'll never accomplish anything. You'll never surpass Leo.
Is that so? Then you better watch closely. That stock just now was carefully chosen by me. I knew it would correct itself. I was just waiting for Leo to take the bait. Once he blew up, that's when I'd make my money.
Genius. That move was simply brilliant. His funds doubled in such a short time.
I announce that the winner of the investment competition is Ethan Chu. How is this possible? How is this possible? We're from the hospital. Who is Leo Chu?
I made the call. That's Leo Chu on the floor. He says he can read minds. Make sure you cure my brother, or don't let him out.
Mind reading? That's classic delusional disorder. Let me go. Don't touch me. I'm not sick. It's you. You're sick. I can read minds. I didn't lose. Don't touch me. Mania and delusional disorder. Don't touch me. Leo.
Martin, wake up. You can't be hurt. The Chu Corporation is counting on you to lead it.
Madam, all our liquid funds and loans are gone. Customers and banks are calling, threatening to sue us. Are we really going bankrupt?
What? Bankrupt? No. Impossible. The Chu Corporation cannot go bankrupt. Ethan, are you really going to be so heartless? We're all your family. Are you really just going to watch the Chu Corporation go bankrupt?
The Chu Corporation is in this situation today because of your favoritism and because Leo committed evil, but not a heartless.
No. Ethan, I was wrong. I shouldn't have trusted Leo. I've always loved you. Let's continue our engagement, okay?
Miss Chen, please know your place. Ethan is my fiancé now.
Ethan. I was wrong. I shouldn't accuse you of plagiarism. I shouldn't call off our engagement. Back then, I was blinded. I'll always be on your side. And won't be so foolish again. Please forgive me, okay?
Chloe, you don't love me. You only love my status as the Chu family heir. When I was framed before, you didn't say a single word to defend me. Now that Leo is down, and the Chu Corporation is bankrupt, you come back saying you love me? Love isn't trash you can pick up whenever you need it. What we had ended the day you accused me of plagiarism.